You're a dummy if you think Dubai's true shopping experience begins at fancy malls when it's actually on the streets of Meena Bazaar. Whether you want to buy clothes, jewelry, perfumes, electronics before they release, or the best master copies of your favorite luxury brands, or savories, this is where you come. The truth is that my mother is forcing me to go buy Indian clothes in spite of me having enough Indian clothes. It's just that I don't like going shopping.
Nice ethnic wear to attend all the weddings of all these friends who are getting married now.
Boys, this is your sign. Listen, you find that girl, you ask her to marry you, tell her you love her so that you can call me to her wedding. Don't shout. Mom, right? Say. I'm going to be with a freshly wed couple. You might have recognized them from a previous vlog, but we're going to be with Advaita and Vaishak. And I don't know how I got a degree or a diploma in film when I'm filming with light behind me. My mom's just smiling because she's just like, all my money's gone down the drain. Vlog, of course I started my vlog.
Vlog.
Hi, Auntie. And this is also before. After we don't know how we're going to look.
Look at that.
Ishak is the complete opposite. If the guy says $1,000, he'll say no, I'll give you 200 dirhams extra.
I'll say they're also where you know that the prices are more reasonable because they are in that.
It's also because we love free market capitalism, that's all it is. We couldn't get our pani puri. We got our fresh lime soda.
Literally 15 out of 10. So good.
This was our first destination where the lady spent 35 minutes picking out clothes, but that time was worth it after they gave the Pakistani shopkeeper one more reason to hate Indians.
नहीं हो सकता है भैया
नहीं वो हम ज्यादा प्राइस ही नहीं बोलते 5 10
मैं
ज्यादा
अभी
बोलते हैं वो कम
आपका
कर देते
दुकान सीधा आई अभी और इतने दुकान है 2-3 मैंने पहले भी देख लिया था वहाँ गए भी नहीं तो आपसे एक लेना पड़ेगा किसी और से एक हम दो चाहते हैं तो आप अच्छा प्राइस दे दीजिए ना
हैं बात ठीक है वो हम ज्यादा बताते नहीं है ना ज्यादा कम करते आपने हमें 140 बताया 120 हम इतना ही कम करते हैं हम वो ज्यादा
भैया वो 140 बोलेंगे मैं जाएगी
नहीं वैसे आपको बात बता हम ज्यादा
मुझे
करते
प्राइस
नहीं है
मालूम है तो इसीलिए मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ
मैंने सिर्फ प्राइस बता दिया
90 कर दीजिए हम दोनों लेके जाएंगे
आपने लास्ट बोला मैंने आपको खुद ही
ठीक है हम बीच में राइट की आप बोलो 90 के लिए दे दीजिए और हम ले लेंगे
Sweet.
We got 2 long kurtas, 2 short kurtas. Short ones are $45 each. The long one was like each.
So 220 became 150.
Yes.
Stop number 2 was at Rivas to make sure your boy looks Rishta ready at every wedding he attends. This looks like I'm wearing a pride flag on Indian Idama. What is this? Are we swiping right or are we swiping left? We're talking for Haldi's because I don't want to show up to another mehendi wearing groom. Advaita, I'll be happy.
It's not like a festive thing, it's a casual thing and you're not much into wearing it just casually.
Casually, mom.
That's why, so it's not for you then.
In 15 minutes flat, we made our picks and got the yellow kurta set for $125 down from $170 and the purple kurta for a discounted $50 for a grand total of 175 dirhams. GG. $175, 2 kurtas, baby.
1,200 dirhams, 2 outfits. But I think they looted me.
Next, we stopped at Diya's to take a look, and even though I looked very identifiable, I didn't buy this sexy sherwani. But just in case the reverse two-stage dream actually ends up working out, just know that my Punjabi kudi is getting the sherwani-wearing, bature-eating, sexy Tambram boy. Now, Mapla Vaishak was praying that Advaita's intrusive thoughts don't blow another hole in his wallet because, let's face it, the owners did a great job of putting them there in the first place.
Hard over here. 1,200 you spent over there. I'll not be able to sleep tonight, you know that?
Just thinking, was it worth it though?
I'll have to have 2 more drinks than usual.
Can you help us negotiate and get a refund and then we'll spend the same 1,200 if not more over here? This is like some Vasuli stuff, right? Like, if you can help us get 1,200 from there, we'll spend 1,500
If it
here.
had been my store, I would have tried doing it. It's not my store.
Dimple versus Diya, little civil war across the
Do
road.
they usually do a refund?
Would you do a refund?
No.
Definitely.
So then no.
One doesn't just come here to shop. No, ma'am, sir. We actually come here for cheat day. She said she's going to race me for pani puris. I know she's going to win. You want to know why?
Because I can open my mouth that big.
No, because you can swallow. First up, we have spicy pani puri from Mini Punjab. 6 dirhams per plate. If it doesn't give you the shits, it'll give you the sweats. 10 on 10, no brainer.
It's not highlighter, it's just sweat.
Next up, one Sindhi koki with dahi and a masala chas for 9 dirhams at Rokin.
I would rate it 8.
One more underrated thing most people miss out is masala chas.
Masala chas.
Stay hydrated. There's no way you come to Meena Bazaar and not have Vaibhav, so we had to order a pav bhaji, but divided by 3 people, 9 on 10. Before we headed back home, we made a quick pit stop at Classic City Perfumes where our boy Mr. Vaishak gave us a little masterclass on perfumes.
See the bubbles. So like say for example, this one. Look at this. So this one, see when I'm shaking, see the bubbles? See the bubbles are going down slowly. If it fades off immediately, just like water when you shake, that means it'll fade away very quickly. So this is going down slowly. How slow it goes, it's just like tasting wine.
The perfume expert and I just twinned. We got the same one. Let's go, slay, slay. I was just sick and tired of everyone saying Indians smell like shit, so we had to get perfumes.